Hello, my name is Aiden. Robot pets can be replaced truly, and it's hard to find the right battery.
Hi, Aiden. That's an interesting point. It's true that robots need batteries, but technology is improving quickly. So, finding the right battery might not be as hard in the future. Plus, robots don't need food or water, which can be convenient.
Hello, my name is Luna. You have a good point, but robots don't have feelings, so they can't share emotions with you. They don't share an emotional connection with you.
Hi, Luna. That's a great observation. Right now, robots can't feel emotions, but they can still provide companionship in different ways, like playing games or responding to your voice. Some people might find that kind of interaction fun and helpful.
Hello, my name is Athena. I hear what you're saying, but people never feel love to a robot. Real pet can be your true family, but people had never had the same thing about robots.
Hi, Athena. I understand your point. Real pets are special, but robots can also bring joy, especially to people who can't have pets. So, they can still offer companionship in their own way.
Hello, my name is Samuk. People had animal pets for thousands of years. It'll be hard to change that too quickly.
Hi, Samuk. You're right. Animals have been companions for a very long time. Changing to robot pets might be challenging for many people. But some might find robots interesting and fun in different ways.